Welcome back to TechXplorer, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we are diving into Google's latest budget-friendly yet powerful smartphone, the Google Pixel 9a. With a 6.3-inch OLED display, the new Google Tensor G4 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery, and seamless 5G connectivity, the Pixel 9a packs Google's signature smarts into a compact and affordable package. But how does it stack up against the competition? And is it the best value smartphone of the year? Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about the Pixel 9a. The Google Pixel 9a stays true to Google's minimalist design philosophy. With a polycarbonate back and aluminum frame, the phone offers a sturdy build while keeping the weight at just 178 grams. The Pixel's signature camera bar design is back, giving the phone a distinct look. It's available in three stunning colors: charcoal black, seafoam green, and snow white. The phone is also rated IP67, offering resistance to dust and water splashes, making it perfect for daily use. Despite being an affordable device, the Pixel 9a doesn't compromise on ergonomics or aesthetics. It's both lightweight and comfortable to hold. One of the highlights of the Pixel 9a is its 6.3-inch OLED display. With full HD Plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, it delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth animations, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, or everyday browsing. The HDR10 Plus support enhances dynamic range, ensuring deeper blacks and brighter highlights, whether you're watching YouTube videos or scrolling through photos. And with a peak brightness of 1400 nits, the display remains clear even in bright sunlight. Google has truly delivered a premium viewing experience at a budget price. Powering the Pixel 9a is Google's custom Tensor G4 chipset, which brings significant performance improvements over its predecessor. Built with AI and machine learning in mind, the Tensor G4 ensures smooth multitasking, snappy app launches, and enhanced computational photography. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, the Pixel 9a handles everyday tasks with ease, and casual gamers will enjoy lag-free gameplay in titles like PUBG and Asphalt 9. While it may not compete with flagship-level processors, the Tensor G4 strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9a shines. The 5000 mAh battery easily provides a full day of use, even with heavy multitasking. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or capturing memories, the Pixel 9a won't let you down. Charging, however, is where the Pixel 9a remains modest. With 18W fast charging, it's not the quickest in its category, but it gets the job done. There's also support for 7.5 watts wireless charging, adding an element of convenience for users who prefer a cable-free experience. For light to moderate users, the Pixel 9a's battery life is a major plus. Google phones are known for their camera prowess, and the Pixel 9a is no exception. It features a 12.2 MP primary camera with OIS, delivering sharp and detailed photos across various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens offers a 117-degree field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes or group photos. And with Google's computational photography magic, features like night sight, portrait mode, and astrophotography deliver incredible results that rival even high-end devices. For video, the Pixel 9a supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second, with excellent stabilization for smooth footage. The 8MP front-facing camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls, making it a well-rounded camera setup. The Pixel 9a runs on Android 14, offering the purest Android experience you can get. With Material You, the UI adapts to your wallpaper and style preferences, making your phone truly yours. Exclusive features like Live Translate, call screening, and Magic Eraser enhance everyday usability. And with 5 years of software updates, the Pixel 9 is a long-term investment that ensures you stay updated with the latest features and security patches. Plus, Google's focus on privacy means you get advanced protections, including the Titan M2 security chip, giving you peace of mind when it comes to data safety. The Pixel 9 is fully equipped for the future with 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast download and upload speeds. Whether you're streaming 4K content or downloading large files, 5G keeps you connected without delays. The phone also features stereo speakers for a more immersive audio experience, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable. Google has ensured that the Pixel 9 delivers on all fronts when it comes to connectivity and convenience. The Google Pixel 9 is priced at just $399, making it one of the most affordable smartphones in its category. At this price point, it competes with devices like the Samsung Galaxy A54 and the OnePlus Nord 3. So, is the Google Pixel 9 the best budget phone of the year? With its stunning display, powerful Tensor G4 processor, incredible camera performance, and clean Android experience, it ticks all the right boxes. While it may not have the fastest charging speeds or flagship-level performance, it more than makes up for it with its unbeatable value and everyday usability. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly phone with flagship-level smarts, the Pixel 9 is a fantastic choice. What do you think of the Pixel 9a? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechXplorer for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.